Well, I'm back at it again. I did have chalk and a marker somewhere out here. Thought I put it over there. Maybe I brought it back to the front. I don't know. Rolling logs just with your feet. It's a nice way to just trample down the brush and the vegetation. Oh, looks like we got the piece of wood over here in the marker. So this is what we got marked up last time, but we didn't get a chance to buck it. So we'll go ahead and get this taken care of. Our chalk should be right next to it. Awesome. These we're gonna pull out of here. I don't know if I want to buck them all back there and carry all that out. I think I just want to pull the whole logs out to here and then process them. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you guys think I should do as far as the easiest way to get logs in and out of here. I think making this trail pretty much go all the way to right here, backing the wagon up and then throwing everything in once we get it all pretty much right here would be the best idea. So enough talking though. Let's get some logs marked. That's really, I don't want to even bother with that. We're just going to focus on the bigger stuff today that we have already marked. This one, that one there, and then that one in there. Whatever, might as well, right? One in Rome. All right, that's pretty good. Perfect. All right, that's that. We'll end this one here because this is just kind of marking. This is boring, right? All right, all right. Let's get back to some unfinished business, shall we? Last time we were in here, we didn't have time to do these because I had to work / family came first. So now we're gonna go ahead and get the rest of these zipped up, bucked up, and get this wood ready to get out of the woods. And we'll make room for more room for trails and stuff. We're in here this deep, which is pretty good. All this right in front of you that you see is just newly established. There's one decent sized stump here that I got to cut down still. We'll do this last because it's probably gonna dull my chain really good. It's really in the ground. But other than this stump, nice little trail in and out, but we can even go back farther with this. So yeah, without further ado, let's give this little 50cc a little food. It sure is hungry. Warm her up. Let it. All right. That should be warm. recording like 3 days. You think he did it? You think Diddy did it? I think Diddy did it. Diddy's a diddler. That's what I think. I think Diddy's a diddler. Flush cut as that's gonna get. That ain't bad at all. You think it's stock? I don't think so. She's a little modded. God, look at this thing go. All right, it's not bad. That's not bad. Man, that thing looks nice. The whole design of the 5 Series I love aesthetically, the appearance of it. It's beautiful. All right. Well, let's do the not so fun part of it. .50cc. That's all outperforms its predecessors in the 50cc class. I think it's definitely the fastest, highest revving 50cc saw on the market. Like the whole Mark II concept, they killed it. Absolutely killed it. Sounds so much better and different than the original. Less problems. I think they had a decomp on the original 550. Why do you need a decomp on a 50cc saw? I wouldn't use it. I barely use my decomps on the saws as it is. That's just me though. Yeah, same thing with this one. We'll pull this one out. Then we'll cut more of it up. Right now, this is a nice little cut. I'm not having to go as far back in the woods as I was. Still getting substantial pieces out of here. If you don't got one of these grapple hooks, I highly recommend one of these. Straight up game changer. It's looking good. All right, let's pull up a little bit, and then grab the rest of it. Ooh, lawnmower got a little nice back. Throw this back on here. Oh, great. Put this saw here then, I guess. All right, let's pull up. All right, that's good. Yay, it didn't fall off. All right. Not bad for a little lawnmower, huh? Let's get the saw. We don't fall and die first. Evenly distribute the load. We'll get some chips in here too, make this more level. I see there's a that's gross. That's in the ground pretty good. We'll leave that. These small ones we'll put up on there. The thin ones, we want the bigger stuff. Bigger diameter, the better. There's actually another big one in there that needs to come down. I don't think we're going to tackle that today. That's another project, another day. Wanted to fell a tree, but I'm good for right now. All right, we got all the wood that we wanted. This unloaded. A lot of this has been in the ground, so I want it to dry some before it gets split. That's the purpose of putting it up here. That, and I plan on getting more, so I need the wagon empty, and I want this ramp filled. Once it's filled, we'll fill the cart, that, and then I'll probably fill that, and then once they're all filled with rounds, 2 wagons and this ramp, I'll process them all at once. Like I said, if you take a tree, try to cut it down, cut it into sections, equal sections, split it, stack it, whatever. In one day, you're not going to get a lot done. Well, for one day, you cut down 15, 20 trees, and another day you come along, and then you buck all them trees up. Oopsie daisy. Well, that's kind of too small for that. You don't really get a lot done that way. You gotta have a big cutting day where you cut, big splitting day where you split. And that's the most efficient way to do it. This wood is dirty. Semi-chisel works the best for dirty wood. How do you guys deal with your dirty wood? Arr, 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 arr. Mine was an attempt at humor. Alright. There's more wood than it looks like here. Yeah, the more of a system that you get down, easier it's going to be. Like this ramp system works great for me. It might not work well for other people. You got to find out what works good for you and how your body is. Some people are short, some people are big. People are short and big. Some people are tall and skinny. People are tall and big. Everyone's different. Everyone's got different backgrounds and different medical history. So don't judge anyone. If it works for them, let them do it. Put these few in the back. Big old gal. All right. There's a good face cord there, huh? At the minimum. It's not bad for just a little haul. Like I said, we don't got tractors, we don't got big equipment. This is what we use. A chained up modified tractor with a really cool trailer. Hopefully it doesn't rain tomorrow. My luck, it'll rain on all these rounds that were just cut, but we'll see. This one's got to get finished cut. Let's move these fuel cans. We'll slice that up real quick. So hot start procedure for a saw that's already kind of warm: high idle, then down. Good. That was easy. All right. There. Not bad. And the ones that are darker, that are wet, they'll dry up quick. The wooden side is dry, the outside just a little bit wet. But some were sitting in the ground. That's really cool. So is that. Really cool grain on some of them. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I didn't have really as much time as I wanted to do as much, but now that we got that logging trail established, we'll be able to get in and out of there no problem, and pretty much harvest all the trees that are down in the area, as well as the ones we're going to take down in the future. So that's it for this one. Appreciate you guys watching. If you guys want to see more backwoods stuff like this, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. We'll have more content coming at you for you probably tomorrow. Everyone have a great day. See you guys in the next one. Boostatic out.